Good morning, everyone. I am Nympha Escudero from Baguio City. I want to share to you now how Atomy products helped me in my condition now. October 2020, I had severe pain all over my body and can't get up in bed alone. My husband and my son had to carry me in a blanket. The pain became worse that they referred me to 4 doctors. I had head surgery due to discoid lupus erythematosus or DLE. DLE is a size of a coin that was in my scalp, but in my CT scan, they saw many lumps in the surroundings. The doctor thought that it was the cause of my body pains. But after the surgery, there was still body pains. The lupus was already systemic. I had another head surgery. I had severe sepsis. Systemic lupus erythematosus or SLE is an autoimmune disease. In this disease, the immune system of the body attacks healthy tissue. It can affect the skin, joints, kidneys, brain, and other organs. There were organs in my body that were damaged, and I was in ICU for 3 days and had to stay in the hospital for a week. When you are in the hospital, they will give you a lot of medicines. Even when I was discharged, I still had to take a lot of medicines. I had weekly checkups and blood works. The worst thing is, my hemoglobin went down due to too much bleeding during the surgery. The doctor said that if my hemoglobin will not rise to 80, I will have blood transfusion. I took Hemohim every day, and praise God, my hemoglobin went up little by little every month. I will still have another blood works this last week of May, and I believe that my hemoglobin will already be normal. Hemohim strengthens and regulates your immune system. It helps your body form fresh blood and hemoglobin. At the same time, I am taking vitamin C to help in the healing of my open wound in my head. I'm taking omega-2 so that my blood pressure will be normal. Thank you very much.
구독, 좋아요 눌러주세요.